Hey everyone. So I want to show you this cool automation that a client allowed us to show you all. And basically, they have a website, it's a construction company, they have a form. People can fill out the form. And on our end or on their end, they have a person that gets those leads and they call the people that, filled out the form. The cool thing here is that they installed the Datagram Web Analytics Pixel. Um, and we start bringing that data. I want to show you how that data comes into Datagram because it's not very easy to understand and to process. And usually, a data scientist or a developer are the people that usually process this data because it's not easy to understand. And normally, you have software on top of this, like let's say an Amplitude or whatever, that would process this data so that the business person can actually analyze it. So basically, if I go, let's go to a field that has all of these JSON, for example, hit payload here. For example, these curly brackets in this indicate this JSON, and you start seeing information there. So embedded in these columns that are in JSON format, we have all the data that we need, like the name, the email, etc., of the person that filled out the form. So again, it's not easy to process, but now with the new Jedi NLP, what these people started doing is just giving it commands to process all the data. So if I go up here, they start saying, hey, in the column heat type, there is a CE field where I have the name, email, etc. Organize this table in a way where I can use the output to send it to another destination, which in their case is Intercom. So they start doing all of these questions. So, for example, one cool thing is that at one point it gave them all the records, but names and emails were empty because sometimes users they just don't put the name and the email. And they said, okay, filter out all of those, and it did that. So at the end, they have this output table, as you can see here, which is organized, which is without nulls or without empty columns. And now they can use this information to, to send it to, again, Intercom, as I mentioned. So they dragged and dropped the destination here. And what they did is they column matched all the information that they have. They're creating or updating leads. You can also update and create users, but in their case, it's leads. And once they run this, they can go to Intercom. This is their account. And if I go to leads, you can now see all the leads here that they're sending from Datagram. And now they can automatize this. They can send emails automatically or messages to these leads, which is just amazing. So another thing that you can do with the Jedi NLP to automatize your data workflows. Hope you liked it.